ang mga kapatid natin na mayaman na dahil sa HIV at para iaalala sa atin na marami pa tayong kailangan gawin. So hopefully, sa sama-sama natin pagtulong-tulong, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag natin na AIDS generation.
HIV is a manageable condition, and with proper care and support, people living with HIV can live long and healthy lives.
Ani is early detection and prompt treatment. And if you are involved with risky behavior, protect yourself and have yourself submit for testing. HIV atong supon para atong kinabuhi magpadayo.
Naga can save all.